Welcome to STACKr News. What did you miss last week in web dev? Last week, we stood up for the dislike button, found out there were no coding tech roles, and that cryptocurrencies might be in trouble from quantum attacks. In this video, I'll highlight my favorite creators from last week, and maybe you'll discover some new content that you didn't know about. But there's even more news in the STACKr News newsletter. Click the link in the description below to sign up. All of the links mentioned will be in the newsletter, and even if you don't want to sign up, you can still access all of the links mentioned. This is STACKr News. First up in top news, Deno 1.16 was released, and React Router 6. Now onto the VS Code extension of the week. If you write a lot of Markdown files like I do, you need to try out the Markdown all-in-one extension. It adds a bunch of functionality to your Markdown files like keyboard shortcuts to bold or italicized text, creating a table of contents, and much more. Next, let's take a look at some events coming up. On November 18th, I'll be streaming the TestJS Summit right here on my channel. And don't miss DevFest North America, November 19th and 20th. It's virtual and free, and I'll be speaking there, so go ahead and register now. Then on December 8th, we have React Conf 2021. There are a lot of great speakers there as well. Here are last week's videos in no particular order. Forrest Knight, along with many other YouTubers, are not a fan of YouTube removing the dislike count from all of our videos. The dislike versus like counts help us to validate whether a video is worth watching or not. So he decided to put the dislike count back in his videos using code. Check out this video to see how. And then in this video from Tech World with Nana, we'll learn 8 Docker production best practices to improve security, reduce the image size, and improve build time. So if you're just starting out and you want to know what you should learn first, it's HTML. So you should go check out this HTML basics tutorial from Hashlips to get started on your learning journey. And in this video from Bukola, you'll learn about 5 in-demand tech roles that don't require programming skills. That's right, no coding needed. Now, Flappy Bird is a cool game. In this video from Kyle at WebDev Simplified, you'll see how incredibly easy it is to build. Are you a .NET developer? Go check out this video from Claudio Bernasconi, where he tells us everything that we need to know about .NET 6. If you missed my video from last week, we took a look at some of the recent updates to VS Code with version 1.62. There were several great improvements. Is quantum computing a threat to cryptocurrencies? Go check out this video from Anastasia Marchenkova to hear her thoughts. Now, DevEd is getting ready to release the Ultimate JavaScript Animation course. In this video, he gives us a teaser at the course with an awesome website reveal animation using GSAP. Now on to articles, podcasts, and socials. A great article that I came across on Dev2 was Top 10 Smart Contract and Solidity Developer Learning Resources. Go check out this article if you want to become a smart contract and blockchain developer. For podcasts, go check out the latest Syntax episode where Scott and Wes talk with Tomek Solkowski about web containers, StackBlitz, and much more. If you want to see some great dark mode color palettes, go check out this short carousel on Instagram from Design Ill for You. Now again, there's even more content in the newsletter. The link is in the description. If you missed last week's episode, go check that one out as well. I hope this was helpful. Like this video to help me out and subscribe if you haven't already for more videos like this.